paint adjacent roof areas carefully so you do not shade, contaminate, or damage solar panels during exterior house painting. When preparing to paint near a solar array, start by mapping the array layout and the locations of all roof-mounted equipment so you know exactly where shading and overspray risks exist. Use clean, non-abrasive drop cloths secured with weights or non-marking clips to cover panels during brush or roller work, and replace cloths frequently to avoid trapped grit that could scratch glass. For spray applications, set up windbreaks and use low-pressure, large droplet settings to minimize airborne paint. And perform a small test spray at distance to confirm droplet behavior before full work begins. Maintain a buffer zone of at least 1 foot from the edge of each panel when brushing or rolling, and avoid painting on panel frames where sealants and finishes may be incompatible. When working around penetrations and flashing plan access by removing trim fasteners or loosening mounts, as allowed by the array owner or installer to reach seams without prying against panel frames. Never apply any coating, adhesive, or solvent to the solar module surface, because many coatings void manufacturer warranties and some chemicals degrade anti-reflective layers. If glass cleaning is needed, use manufacturer-approved cleaners and soft microfiber cloths. Finally, document the condition of panels with photographs before and after painting, and communicate the plan with the homeowner or solar owner so responsibilities and expectations are clear. 3 common mistakes are allowing paint overspray to land on panel glass, which can reduce output and leave residues that are hard to remove. Prevent this by using full coverage drop cloths and masking film, and by choosing application methods that produce large droplets. A second mistake is placing tools or ladders on panel frames, which can scratch or deform framing and compromise seals. Set up work platforms, use roof ladders that avoid panels, and keep tools on roof pads away from modules. The third mistake is applying protective coatings to panels or using incompatible solvents on frames, which can void warranties and damage anti-reflective coatings. Always consult the panel documentation and avoid any coating unless explicitly approved. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who perform roof and exterior painting in your solar installations, and offers a discussion community where we share project experiences and contractor recommendations. We help contractors find work by listing jobs and enabling conversations so both sides can plan safe, effective painting near arrays.